This is a hard drive replacement on a Lenovo T450S. First off, we'll take the battery out. And then we're going to go for 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to start here and try and work that off. Okay, here seems to be giving me some wiggle room right at the back. So, let's start there then instead. That was a challenge. A little bit of glue, just I guess holding the heatsink on. Yeah, it's just stuck to here, so anyway, finally got this thing open. Let's take it out. So it's just one screw over here. And note that these two screws came out unlike on the T450. They have these little plastic things to keep the screws within the bracket. So the whole thing will come out. Take this off. The little plastic thing just comes right off. And then I'll save the foil too. Let's peel it off. Just a small bit of tape on the bottom. I'll put it on the SSD I'm putting in. Line it up to make sure that I get my screw holes in there. So I'll just put it back together. I really don't know where the M2, I kept saying M-SATA, I don't know where the M2 slot is. There's another slot here for PCIe for probably a WAN card next to the wireless card there. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's on the other side of the motherboard or what. Because that's just the RAM, and that's it. I don't see anything else. Anyway, that's it. So snap it back down. Screw all the screws back in. That's it.